Hello ACES scholars, I'm here today to walk you through on how to upload your social security number. Are you ready? Let's get started! Okay, first, step number one, you can click here and log on into your MyMC account. Okay, if you haven't already done so, I really highly recommend you to bookmark this so that you can have access it right away. Okay, and if you don't know how to do it, I can show you. This is the little star right here. Yeah, you can click and then you can just add bookmark, and every time you add to your bookmark, and it's like right there. Okay, you can always bookmark it and you can go to your bookmark and you can see right here. See, I saved it right here, MyMC, right? Okay, let's keep it moving. Sorry, I'm gonna log in really quick. Gonna log in. And here we go. You are the MC portal, right? With all the information here. Next step, you see this right here, trade, right? Now, we're here at the financial aid information page, and then we're gonna scroll down some more. Keep going a little more. Okay, right here, general financial aid forms. You're gonna look at the very end right here, upload social security card. You're gonna click here and they're gonna take you to this page. Boom, right? Student social security card. So this is when you're gonna fill out your information. It should generate your first name, last name, and your MyMC ID number, right? You can answer all these questions. Really simple. Do you have US government issues photo identification, essentially your driver license, right? Or your passport, whichever. Click here. I'm gonna choose state driver license. I'm gonna put on 2021. And issue authority, Maryland. And then you can upload your the photo image of your photo. If you haven't done it already, I kind of just take a picture and send it to my email and just pretend this is my driver license, right? Put it here. I'm going to download it into my computer, and then I download it, right? And then I go back to the form, choose file, and this is the one I downloaded. Boom, click here, open, and it's uploading, sing a song. Is it there yet? Boom, it's here, right? Perfect. Same here, section C, they're asking you for your social security card, so make sure you also have a picture of that and send to your email. I'm just going to pretend again, this is my social security number, and I'm just going to put it here. And boom, boom, waiting. Boom, right? That's it, and I hit certify this for section D, put my name here. Log in, sign electronically, and then it generates, right? My signature here, date and the time, and you hit submit the form. When you hit submit form, it's gonna send you like a message, thank you for submitting this or whatever, right? And then you're finished. Simple, super simple. If you happen to have further questions, feel free to reach out to your ACES coach at your high school. Bye, until next time.